Welcome to Technoland Expart. The Catalog/Product Listings section, visible in the second screenshot, further reveals the template's powerful e-commerce capabilities. The left sidebar provides category-based filtering, where users can browse by room categories, living room, dining room, office, etc., or by product types such as chairs, ottomans, sectionals, sofas, and tables, enabling easy filtering and navigation, which is critical in large catalogs where users may otherwise feel overwhelmed. This sidebar also contains promotional banners such as New Collection, which double as marketing space for campaigns or seasonal launches, driving attention to specific product lines. On the main area, product cards are neatly arranged in a responsive grid, each card showing a large product image, title, pricing information, with price ranges for variants, and interactive options such as Add to Cart, Choose Variant, Wishlist, or Quick View, represented by heart and magnifying glass icons, demonstrating that the template supports advanced retail features like product variations, colors, sizes, materials, and layered interactivity without forcing users to leave the catalog page. Each product card also carries badges such as New and Sale, which are powerful marketing cues designed to grab attention and influence buying decisions by highlighting freshness or discounts, thereby addressing consumer psychology around novelty and value. This HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code builds a visually appealing glassmorphism-inspired e-commerce layout that combines modern web design aesthetics with functional shopping cart structures, navigation, and interactive elements. And within its functionality it uses concepts like responsive grids, transparent backgrounds with blur effects, image layering, button interactions, and product panels. Breaking it down, the head section imports the Poppins font from Google Fonts, sets the viewport for responsiveness, and links two external style sheets, ExploreSection.css and ExploreGrocery.css, while also including embedded CSS styles that define the global look and feel of the web page, such as resetting margins, paddings, and box sizing for consistency across browsers and applying the Poppins font globally. The body background is styled with a gradient and an image, AI-generated assorted banner.jpg, covering the viewport, giving a premium backdrop for the UI, and the header section implements a glassmorphism-styled navigation bar, navbar, with a semi-transparent background, RABA, 255, 255, 255, 0.05, blur filter, backdrop filter, blur, 10px, box shadows for depth, and a sticky position so it remains visible when scrolling. It contains a logo that uses an image, redorion.png, as background text with text shadow. It contains a logo that uses an image, redorion.png, as background text with text shadow for futuristic glow effects, and navigation links styled as rounded clickable buttons that change background color on hover, giving interactive feedback. Below the navbar, there is a section showcasing an overlapping image composition, image stack, with two images, cosmetics1.png and cosmetics2.png, layered to create a parallax-like design where one acts as a background and the other provides focus. Accompanied by descriptive text on the right encouraging the user to explore the pattern, including a CTA, call to action, button use this pattern. Then comes a grid of glassmorphic cards, .card grid, where .glass card elements are styled with blurred translucent backgrounds, rounded corners, soft shadows, and scale transformation on hover to simulate depth and interactivity. Each card uses a background image, various cosmetic product images like cosmetics1.png through cosmetics7.png, a placeholder for headings and text, and a Buy Now button that calls a simple JavaScript function book, package name, defined at the bottom of the code, which triggers an alert box confirming the booking of the named package, illustrating how client-side interactivity works in e-commerce designs. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching this video, contact us and get the source code.